Hello class, this is another example for formal congruency proofs. So you can pause the video and give this a go yourself straight away, but I'm going to take you through it right about now. So let's take a look at what we can find in the first triangle. Well, in the first triangle, I can see that AB, so ACB, so that's AB, that is equal to, well, what is that equal to in the other triangle? Well, AB, got that single marking, is equal to AD. Okay, so we can say that AB is equal to AD. And since that marking is already given to us, we can just say that that is given. In the exact same way, BC, so this side here, so BC is equal to DC. DC. And once again, because that marking is given to us, we can just say that is given information. In the last one, take a close look. Take a look at the triangle ABC. Notice how AC is on both triangles. So ABC, that last side, is also on ADC. So we can say that AC is a common, or you can say it's shared, is a common side. Because they are sharing the same side, well, that side must be equal. So we can say now we have three statements. We can say the triangle ACB is congruent to, there's three horizontal lines, is congruent to ACD. Now, which of the proofs can we use that? Well, we have an equal side, and one more equal side. So that is side, side, side. And now we have formally proven that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Now from here, let's find the value of x. We'll take a look. X is in between the single line and the double line. Well, in this one, single line, double line. Well, we can say that from here, x is equal to 100 degrees. And the reason for this is they are corresponding angles of congruent triangles. And y, if you can take a look, angle y is in between AC and the double line. In the exact same way, 27 is between AC and the double line as well. So because of that, we can say that y is equal to 27 degrees for the exact same reason here. So I'm just going to copy paste that. They are corresponding angles of congruent triangles. So I hope that gave you an insight with another example of formal congruency proofs. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.